Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix ChatGPT app not responding on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone, your ChatGPT app is not responding. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So you just have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection because sometimes it might be that your internet is weak or not stable. So you can find these type issues. So you must have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have that, you have to open up your chat GPT and here retry. Or if you are still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you have to open up your settings, go for general, and then go for the option of VPN and device management. And here you have to make sure that your phone is not connected to any VPN, or if you have any VPN here, so you have to try to disconnect with your VPN. Once you have disconnected, you have to retry, or if you are still having the same issue, open up your settings app again. This time you have to go ahead to general and then go for transfer or reset iPhone. Here tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. And here first of all you have to enter your passcode. Once you have entered your passcode, it will completely reset all of your network settings. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. So after resetting your network settings, it will delete also your Wi-Fi password and your Bluetooth connected devices. So you have to make sure that you have backup, and once you have that, you can easily try this way. It's because sometimes it might be that you have enabled or disabled any setting in your network settings, so you can easily find these type issues. Or if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you have to open up your general, go for iPhone storage, look for ChatGPT from here, and from here you can try to offload your app, or you can easily try to delete app because sometimes it might be that there will be any bug into your ChatGPT application. So you can easily do that, or if you don't want to delete your app or offload your app, you can easily try to use your websites. Open up your browser and here you have to simply search for chatgpt.com, and once you have searched you will get the website. Here you can easily try to use website if you are having an issue with your ChatGPT application. So in this way you can easily fix if your ChatGPT app is not responding. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.